Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to design website automatically with Wix AI. If you want to build a website but don't have design or coding experience, Wix AI can do most of the work for you. It can automatically generate a complete website based on a simple conversation and a few answers. To begin, open your browser and go to the official website of Wix. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says Create with AI and click on it. This will launch the Wix AI Builder, where you'll start by chatting with the AI assistant. The AI will begin asking you a series of questions to understand what kind of website you want to create. These questions are important because they help generate a design tailored to your needs. You'll be asked things like what type of website you want, what your website or business name is, the purpose of your website and books, the type of content you want to include. Answer each question carefully and as clearly as possible. The more detailed your answers, the better the AI will design your website. After answering all the questions and want to stop there, click on End Chat and continue to proceed. Wix AI will now generate your website automatically. This process usually takes a few moments while the system creates a home page, structured sections, relevant pages, design layout and styling. If you're not happy with the design, you can click on Tweak Design to change some aspects of it. Now once you're satisfied, click on Continue with this design. You'll be suggested to connect domain if you have one, but if not, you can skip this process for later and click on Continue to the editor. Even though the website is already built, you can still customize it. Inside the editor, you can edit text and images, adjust layouts, add or remove sections and amantas, modify colors and fonts. Wix also provides AI-assisted tools within the editor to help you refine content or improve design elements. Take some time to go through your website and make any necessary changes so it matches your vision and brand. Click on the AI tools on the left bar of the window and explore different tools that help your website grow. For example, you can add or edit any text you want using AI. Insert your prompt and the AI will generate the text you want seamlessly. Once you're satisfied with the design, click the Publish button to make your website live. Using Wix AI allows you to create a complete, professional-looking website quickly without needing technical skills. To summarize, designing a website with Wix AI involves going to the official site, clicking Create with AI, chatting with the AI, answering questions about your website, and letting it generate your site automatically. After that, you can customize the design and publish your website when you're ready. And that's how to design a website automatically with Wix AI. By answering a few simple questions and letting AI handle the design, you can launch a professional website in minutes. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.